We are now on day 2 of heated news about Google's new Pixel phones. So yes, you could say Alphabet is feeling like its letters A and C went on vacation. The Pixel 2 and 2 XL were unveiled at the beginning of October and billed as Google's best phone yet, including a truly great camera that outranks even Apple's newest iPhone. But the bummer is there's been a few reported issues since consumers actually got the Pixel 2s in their hands. On Monday, we heard about some color and burn-in issues on the displays in just the 2 XLs. Burn-in usually happens on OLED displays slowly over time, not within a week of using a phone. Google told Android Central that it's investigating those reports. There's also a blue tint issue in some displays when they're viewed from a wide angle, and I can tell you that is the case with the phone Google sent Engadget to photograph for a story. But objectively worse, now some users are reporting that their Pixel 2 phones are making strange noises all by themselves. About 100 buyers on Google's Pixel product forum say mostly Pixel 2s, but some 2 XLs are making a clicking noise or high-frequency sounds. The noises are coming from the call speaker and are described as a ticking like the second hand on a watch. Turning off near-field communication on the phone often stops the clicking noise, so that's the good news. There does not seem to be a consensus on what might help the high-frequency noise. Google is telling users to contact tech support if they have a noise issue. It is true that new devices often have small issues, or big, because who could forget AntennaGate? So we will give them a hot minute to address it. But don't dally, Goog. We'll be back tomorrow with more Engadget Today.